Hey everyone, Zain here, and today we're going to review Tide Business and Savings Account. Running a business in 2025, looking for a smart digital first banking solution? Tide might just be on your radar, but is it actually worth it for your business? In this quick review, we'll break down the pros and cons of Tide's business and savings accounts, so you can decide if it is the right fit for you or not. First, let's see what is Tide. Tide is a mobile-first business banking service based in the UK. It is designed specifically for small business owners, freelancers, and limited companies. It is not a bank itself, but it partners with ClearBank to provide FCCS-protected accounts. Think of it as a modern alternative to traditional business banks with slick apps and no in-person branches. Tide Business Account. Let's start with the Tide Business Current Account. Here are the key features. Free to open with no monthly fees on the basic plan. Get a UK sort code and account number, integrated invoicing tools, expense categorization and receipt uploads, instant notifications and payment tracking, support for multiple team members. You can also upgrade to paid plan for perks like 24/7 support, priority service, and exclusive discounts. The free plan is great for starters, but growing businesses might appreciate the extras. Tide Savings Pots. Tide also offers savings pots, which are perfect for separating money for taxes, payroll, or rainy day funds. While they are not traditional high-interest savings accounts, they help with financial organization in 2025. Tide is expected to roll out interest-bearing pots or better integrations, but right now it is more about budgeting than earning returns. Pros of using Tide. Alright, let's dive into the pros. Easy to set up. Most users are verified in minutes, great user interface, especially on mobile, built-in tools for invoices and expense tracking, FSCS protection up to 85,000 sterling pound, integrates with accounting tools like Xero, QuickBooks, Free Agent, multiple business accounts under one login. It is ideal for freelancers, startups, and anyone who wants a no-fuss banking experience. Cons of using Tide. But it is not all perfect. Here are a few cons to keep in mind. No physical branches. Fully digital. No overdrafts or loans unless you are eligible for Tide credit. Customer service can be slow on the free plan. No interest rates on savings pots yet. International payments are limited. If your business needs cash deposits, branch visits, or complex financial services, you might want a more traditional bank or pair Tide with another solution. So, who is Tide best for? It is a solid choice for freelancers, e-commerce business owners, side hustlers, and small teams, anyone comfortable managing finances via mobile. If you are looking for simplicity, automation, and low fees, Tide checks a lot of boxes. Final thoughts. In 2025, Tide continues to grow and evolve. It is not perfect, but for many small business owners, it offers just the right mix of features, flexibility, and low cost. Just know its limits, especially when it comes to lending or savings interest. If you're ready to simplify your business finances, Tide is definitely worth a look. And that's all for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.